So today we are reviewing the Fifine Technology UHF dual microphone system. This is ideal for any clubs, groups, bands where you want more than one microphone and a very simple setup. So inside we have the instruction manual, which is very clear, very helpful, good diagrams, details of how to connect it all up, what everything means. You're left in no doubt as to how to get this set up and to use it very quickly. So that's the instructions. We've also got some additional cables. So this is a standard phono cable. It can be used to add an extra microphone into the front of the unit, or in order to take the audio out of the unit onto an amplifier. This unit will not give you audio output. You need to connect something up to be able to hear the microphones. It needs to go into a PA, or, as I will show later on in the video, into a keyboard, which has microphone input. So again, in order to help with different connectivity, we've got another couple of cables. This is a 3.5 AUX cable, so this one can be used for input or output depending, and a 3.5mm AUX to a pair of phonos for, again, either input or output. If you're connecting this into a tape deck that's coming into the system, then this will go into the unit and this will go into your tape deck or a CD player. So otherwise, in the box we have two microphones which are identical other than the colour at the bottom and the channel that they are assigned to. So these two microphones can't have their channels changed. They are prefixed to two channels so that they work with the unit, otherwise the setup would get quite complicated. So that's the other microphone, so they're easy to distinguish. One green, one orange, decent size, proper microphone, great for use on stage, gives the user some confidence because they've got something to hold on to. We've then got the main box of tricks. So this unit has it needs power, and both UK and European power adapters are supplied, and it has the aerial in order to pick up the two microphones. It has on the back right and left input, so that's where this cable could be used to bring in audio from another hi-fi system or device, or this, if it's coming from, say, a smartphone, would equally be able to bring audio in from that. And then we've got a right and left line out. Again, either of those could be used for that. Obviously, if one's in use on the input, it can't be in use on the output, so you've still got options there. And then you've got the left and right out. So this is where this cable comes into play, or any other cable going to an amplifier or other device that accepts a microphone input. Here we've got the power jack where we connect one of the two power supplies to, and the main power button. Then on the front we've got our power indicator, whether we're getting radio signal from either A microphone or B microphone, and we've got another microphone input on the front. So if we've got a wired microphone, we can put that in here, and then we can put another input here, plus the two wireless microphones effectively gives us 4 channels. So we can then control the volume of the 4 channels with the microphone volume, volume for wireless A, volume for wireless B, an echo to generate echo on the voice. Sometimes just a little bit of echo does make a voice better over PA, and then the music volume level. So you've really got kind of a 4-channel mixer here, 2 on wireless, 1 on the mic on the front, and then the final one on the line in here. So that's the end of the unboxing. Just to mention, actually, kindly, we are supplied with 2 sets of batteries. These are standard AA batteries, and each microphone, the base unscrews on the microphone. I'll just show you here. And then 1 AA battery in either side, which is good because they are very easy to get hold of and cheap batteries. So if you ever find yourself out and about and you're running low on batteries, getting hold of AA batteries is a lot easier than trying to recharge something which has very bespoke batteries. So that's helpful, and as I said, we've got 2 adapters, and we really need to get one of these out. This is the UK version, otherwise they're identical. A 12 volt 1 amp output standard power supply. So that's the end of the first part. Now we'll have a look at it in use. Thank you. So here we have the unit all connected up and powered on. As you can see, the power light, and we've used the phono cable into the microphone in on the back of the keyboard. That means that if we take one of the microphones and turn it on, as you can see, we've got microphone A, and it says name A on the display here, and the LED is on, and testing, as you can hear, that's coming through loud and clear. So we've got volume control for that. If I turn volume A right down, I don't get anything. If I turn it up, so you can see we've got fine control over the volume of the microphone. And then we shall take the second microphone, and as you can see, the second LED is now on, and that microphone is working as well. So now we can select a tune from the keyboard because it happens to play by itself, and if we start that off, we can then use 2 microphones and sing along. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. There you go. So that is the 2 microphones, which you can identify from the bases, and 2 different channels, and you get full control over the volume. Thank you.